In today's video, I want to present to you this excellent USB Flex Lite, and this essentially plugs into your USB port, whereby you can then use it as a source of light for you. And in this particular instance, the reason I'm highlighting this particular product is the fact that it's on sale at a discounted price. Of course, on wholesale orders only. So when you order 100 plus units of this USB Flex Lite, you get this particular price. And then as I go forward, say you have a bulk order of 16,000 plus units of this USB Flex Lite, the price per unit comes down significantly to this particular price, as you can see on screen. So the point that I'm making is that the more you order, the more you save per unit. And this is a unique Flex Lite. First of all, it's offered in these two colors, black and white. And then above and beyond all that, the biggest advantage by far is the fact that you can easily have your logo or your company name embossed on it, imprinted on it. So it's very good as a promotional item as well. That's in fact one of the reasons why it's categorized under promotional products, as you can see above. So that's the whole reason that I wanted to highlight this particular product. It's excellent and it plugs in anywhere. You're not limited to just your computer. Anywhere where you can plug in your USB device, you can simply plug this in over there. And here you can see some more images from up close. And as you can see, say you want to plug into a charger, you can do that, any power source, and it'll do the job. So that's the whole idea of this unique USB Flex Lite. And in terms of appreciation from customers, you can see that it's been extremely good, and people have been very appreciative about this product. Some say highlights of this product which I can describe to you about. First of all, it's super bright, so the light quality is very good. It's fashionable, portable, and fun, and you can plug into any power source, as I mentioned. As long as there's a 2.0 USB port, you can just plug it in and you have the light being emitted. And there are LED bulbs inside it, and whether it's power banks, laptops, wall plugs, etc., you can easily plug it in. And these are the specifications, as you can see here. And you can have your imprint done on the product as well, as I mentioned. So these are some of the highlights of this particular product. To order this, and also of course to check out all these details which I mentioned, you can simply click on the link in the description of this video. That will take you to this very page. So you can get onto this very page, and the fact that it's on sale at a discounted price, I'm sure you don't want to miss out on this opportunity. You can have these Flex Lights given to all your employees. You can have any sort of, maybe a gift, maybe any occasion, it could be anything. And you can of course buy it and then resale as well. So whatever you want to do, you can make the most of the fact that it's on sale at such a discounted price. So make the most of the opportunity. You can go ahead and order using the link in the description of this video.